Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the canvas and placing your image where the overlay will sit. First, open Elementor and pick the section or column, then drag an image widget or set a background image in the section settings. Once done, choose the exact image size and alignment, and make sure to check responsive breakpoints for desktop, tablet, and mobile. You do this early so layout shifts are avoided later. This saves time when adding overlays and text layers. Next, add the text layer and style it so it reads well over the image. Place a heading or text editor widget above the image. Use an intersection or enable custom positioning and set position to absolute with a higher z-index. Then pick typography, weight, size, and color for contrast, and fine-tune padding and line height. These choices control readability and visual hierarchy. Finally, add a background or color overlay. Adjust opacity, so the text remains legible regardless of image brightness. Finish by making the overlay responsive and run one key troubleshooting check. You switch to tablet and mobile views and adjust font sizes, padding, and absolute positions for each breakpoint so the overlay never obscures important image areas. If contrast issues persist, add text shadow or a semi-transparent block behind the copy, or apply small custom CSS tweaks in Elementor. Finally, test in multiple browsers and disable caching plugins while editing. This ensures you see live updates and solves most display problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.